everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a wonderful week. Today I have a DIY video and we are going to create a tinted lip scrub. All the ingredients I used are edible and you probably have them in your house. So let's move on with this tutorial. I just want to say one last thing. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to see more useful videos like this. So my first ingredient is sugar and I'm using 3 teaspoons of sugar at first. This really helps to exfoliate your skin. The next ingredient I'm using is honey. These are organic honey. I'm only using 3/4 teaspoon of honey. Same amount will be used for olive oil. These two ingredients really moisturize your lips and keep it smooth and soft. Now mix all these ingredients properly. I'm adding 1 more spoon of sugar because I thought it was needed. Now I'm adding strawberry essence to eliminate any bad smell from the honey and olive oil. The next ingredient is food color and you only need just a little bit of this, and I have applied a little too much. If you have dropped too much food color like me, you can always go back and add some more sugar. So we're done and our lip scrub is ready. Apply this once a week, twice a week to get that soft lips. And make sure to store this in refrigerator. That way you can use this for a long period of time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.